Look at that water. It's really beautiful. Perfect for location. Perfect for shooting. And my socks and my feet are really wet. You want to say hi to my camera? This is the photographer. And that too. That thing over there.
Photographer, slash model, surprise, surprise.
Yes.
I think it'll be a good surprise for people.
Yeah. I'm excited to do a shoot with her because it's been a dream. It was a dream to shoot with Blaze, now it's a dream to shoot with her. Look at that though. Look at that fucking rock. That's fucking cool. Nature, dude. I'm telling ya. Go out. You never know what you can find. Let's pass the water, shall we? Together. Look. I'm in the water. Look at this huge ass fucking rock just sitting here. Mud?
Not so much mud.
Always stay close. Ow. The trees are really fun to walk by and a lot of birds here. Do you think we should go back? First person shooter, bitches. You're just enjoying it, aren't you? Get veggie, bitches. I think we are all satisfied. Don't eat those though. Might be poisonous. This is really beautiful. Wow. Really fucking awesome. Just had a reminder of Candace, or whatever that chick's name from Hunger Games. It's really beautiful. Wow. Look at this is intense, isn't it? Who knows what kind of creepy crawlers are in here. Wow. Wow. Butterfly. Bee. Alright. Guess there's no really way but forward, huh? Just don't want to run into a beehive or anything. Oh. That was intense. And I got scratched. Ooh. Ouch. Ow. Shit was. Cut me. It stings. Ooh. Water my hair real quick. Really stung. Holy crap. What was that, fucking bee shit or something? I can handle it though. Alright guys. I'll continue on forward. Let you know what happens. Peace. Move on to an anime freak. And you know I love you guys. And this is me. Ooh. Stepping on it. Ooh. That is crazy, but I've got an allergic reaction to something. Can you see it though? Be careful because sometimes these things can be poisonous. Always wear long sleeves. The only reason I'm wearing short sleeves is because I'm going to be taking a photo shoot. Down, my friend. I don't think you want to duck down there, but I'm excited for my photo shoot, and I'm with him. And we just passed a sign that says no trespassing, shotguns in use. So this will be interesting. Look how calm that is. Where we're at.